Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make thumbnails for YouTube videos in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to create a design and search for thumbnail, and then let's go with YouTube thumbnail. Over here, when you're redirected to this editor, you could head over to templates over here and then search for any specific niche that you wish to create the template for. So let's go with the music festival. You're going to click on music festival over here and you'll be able to see numerous templates of the thumbnail that you can go with. So now let's say we go with this one. You can see we have some icons over here at the bottom. You can click on this text and let's change it to any other text. You can also change the cropping of this and you can change the position as well. You can change the colors. You can totally customize this template according to your own choice. Once done, you could head over to share and then click on download, and then you could either select PNG or you can select any format that you want to do so and click on download. So that was basically how you can make a YouTube video thumbnail in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.